All right, so this month we've kind of been focusing on neck and how you can help with your neck pain. Some things that we do here in the office, and now I want to focus on some things you can do at your own home to try and help with your neck pain. And anytime we do treatment with patients, we want to incorporate all of these different types of treatments we've been showing you throughout this month, because that's where you're going to get your best results. So we want to get the joints moving, a lot of times with manipulation or different types of gentle manipulations to get that moving. We want to work with the soft tissue to make sure the muscles are activating correctly and are loose, so that they're not just constantly pulling those joints out of alignment again or pulling them back into where they're stuck and not moving correctly. And then once we get the joints and the muscles working correctly, now we want to start adding a little bit of strength to those so that they start to keep things moving and stabilizing them the way they should. So with our neck, one thing that we want to do, especially because we tend to be sitting at a computer or looking at our phone, we need to exercise the muscles around the neck so that they can keep our head upright and keep it pulled back over our shoulders. And so there's a couple of simple exercises you can do at home to help with that. One of those is just put your hands behind your head and push your head back, straight back into it, and hold for 10 seconds at a time. So you should probably be pushing about 50 to 70% of your strength back into your hands as you do this. Another simple way that you can do that is if you're driving, you can just push your head straight back into your headrest, as long as it's not distracting you from what you're supposed to be doing in driving. And then you can also work on your sides, pushing your head down into the side and rotate it in and hold that. And do both sides all the way around. And then one last one here with these is just pushing your chin down into your hands. And that will work all those muscles around the neck to help strengthen them. Oftentimes I'll have people come in and complain about headaches as they're working. And so one thing I like to recommend they do is if you start feeling your neck get tight and you're starting to feel that headache, just stand up, get against the wall. You're going to step out about 1.5 feet from the wall, and then you're just going to come up to where the only thing that's touching is the back of your head. And you're going to stand there for 30 seconds to a minute. Now you want to be careful that your chin's not dropped down or that it's not tipped up, but you want to have your eyes level and that you're holding there. And as you stand here, you're going to start to feel this burn a little bit in the back of your neck because you're using these neck muscles to try and hold you up. And if that's easy, you can always step out a little bit further to try and work that more. And then after about a minute, when you stand up, you're going to come up and your head's going to feel like it wants to go back. So those are some simple exercises you can do to try and help with some of the neck pain you might be dealing with, or if you're dealing with headaches, to help kind of combat them also.